Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the PrimeXBT trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you will see the sign up and login button. Now if you already have an account, tap on the login button, and now you will be prompted to enter your email address and your password. If you created your account using your Google account, you can tap on Continue with Google and then choose the appropriate account right away to log in using a shortcut. Or you can simply type in your email address that you used while creating your account and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. Finally, tap on the login button, and now you can set up your passcode to start using your account right away. After confirming your passcode, you can also enable Face Unlock or biometric authentication. And after completing this step, you will be logged into your existing account right away, and now you can immediately start making your trades. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the PrimeXBT application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.